The increase in mental health issues over the course of the COVID pandemic have highlighted the need for more services to provide support. Where that comes from, though, can be difficult to determine, even though there are organizations doing good work on the ground.
We're a small enough shop that we can adjust to what's going on out there, and I really like that.
Any young adults dropping by Stella's place, whether online or in their brand new space in person, knows that there's counseling, workshops, and others to speak with about the mental issues they may be experiencing. It's the type of place founder Donna Green knew was needed when her own daughter was struggling and needed help but couldn't find it.
Something has to change because our young adult population is being missed. And right now the current age span is sort of child and youth up to 16, 18, and all of a sudden you become an adult when you're 16.
It's the lack of supports and funding that have prompted a call from Toronto's mayor for a national summit involving federal, provincial, and municipal governments to better coordinate the help that's needed.
I don't view it as a wheel-spinning exercise or a PR thing. I think you close the door, you discuss it in private, but you come out of it saying that we're each going to take a certain responsibility together and address this collectively. And you know when we proved we could do that on a health matter? During the pandemic.
John Tory says the burden of delivering mental health services has largely been placed on municipalities. The province, meanwhile, was announcing the expansion of a virtual counseling program for children, youth, and their families, and more youth wellness hubs.
There is no doubt that more work needs to be done, and I am always willing to work with whether it is municipal police forces or municipal governments. How can we leverage the existing systems and infrastructure that we have in community with provincial support?
Stella's place largely relies on private donations, however, while helping more than 1,200 young adults with mental health needs at no cost. The idea moving forward, expand their programming to other places like hospitals while waiting for more help themselves.
We certainly need support from both the municipal government and from the provincial government. And it is not only to continue the good work that we do, continue developing innovative services for this age cohort, but also support other organizations around the province.
According to Stella's Place, 1 in 5 Canadians will develop a mental health issue before the age of 25, and 20% of those won't find appropriate treatment.